Good evening, parents, and welcome to the Fall 2018 Baker Middle School Open House. I am the building principal, Jonathan Cross.
And I'm Mrs. Connaughton, the assistant principal at Baker Middle School.
We are very excited to have you with us tonight to get a glimpse inside our school and to see the experiences that your child will have with us this year. Our goal for every student is to ensure that every student's learning experience is authentic and relevant. This year, each of our teachers will focus on the 6 C's outlined in our 2020 World Class Blue Pillar to unlock your child's potential by empowering them to take ownership of their learning. No matter where you go in our building and across the district, you will see evidence of this work. We believe in a team approach and are counting on a partnership where our Baker family, which includes parents, students, and staff, all work together towards the common goal of deep learning.
Similar to the structure of our building, Baker Middle School cannot stand strong without a solid foundation. A school system's foundation is built upon character, and we must be able to answer the question, what does it mean to be a Baker Bobcat? At Baker Middle School, we are in the process of refining our identity through the input of students, staff, and now families. If you have not had the opportunity yet, we are seeking your feedback in the core values Baker Middle School's foundation will be built upon. Please take a moment this evening to leave your feedback on the whiteboards in the entryway of the building or take a flyer home to take our survey. Your voice is our final piece in finalizing Baker Middle School's character development focus for this year and years to come.
During the 2018-2019 school year, the Troy School District is implementing the ALICE protocol. ALICE takes a more proactive approach in the event of a serious emergency crisis. These protocols will eventually replace our code red lockdown drills that have been conducted for so many years. All district employees have started this training, and this training will continue during the school year. We will conduct 4 informational parent meetings, which will be held at all 4 middle schools at various dates and times. You can attend the ALICE parent meeting that is most convenient with your schedule. Again, thank you for your attendance tonight and your partnership in making Baker Middle School an amazing learning community. Enjoy the rest of your evening.